Hello friends, my name is Rodiyah. Today we are going to learn, we're not going to learn, today is the continuation of how to create animation in Scratch. So here is what we have created before. So if you haven't watched episode 1, I'm going to include it in I'm going to add episode 1. So here's what we have now. This animated person and also a background we made. The background looks more like a gradient than the background. So now today I'm going to teach you how to make hair animation. So now we have this blinking animation. I'm going to duplicate this sprite. And I'm going to duplicate it 2 times. I'm just going to hide these ones. So now we are going to create a hair animation. If your character actually has hair, you can do it. So now if you want to create hair animation, first you have to search for Scratch add-ons, because we're going to use one of the things in Scratch add-ons. And also the reason why I don't have Scratch add-ons before. I didn't have Scratch add-ons before was because I'm not using the same computer I used to make these. So since it's not the same computer, Scratch add-ons is not installed. Finish. Now I have Scratch add-ons. Oops. Now we're going to choose go to add-ons and then search for skill. So here we're going to enable skewing in costume editor. So now, as you can see, we're going to check if the skewing works. Just hold. Oops, it's not that. Just hold Control. Just hold your Control key while just hold the control button. Basically I have to reload it. Ooh. Okay, I've reloaded this. Yes, that sound, it was just a pencil falling on the floor. So now let me check if the skewing works. Control. Now, as you can see, the skewing, it is working. You can skew the hair. Now we're going to duplicate this. We're going to hold Control. Next, we're just going to start skewing the hair. I'm going to do it 7 times. So now there's also a small problem. So we're going to the small problem is that here, if this, let's say that I've shown this sprite, there are 2 sprites here now. Oh yes, never mind. So this frame is going to be used for both of these sprites, so it makes a problem. If both of these sprites do their animation at the same time, even though it's pick random, there's still a chance that they'll do the animation at the same time. But if that happens, then the frame, it will be changing for this one and for this one, and it's going to cause a lot of confusion. So now we're going to create another variable called frame, and then you can add anything you want. But this sprite only. This time we're going to change all of the frames into our second frame, except for the ones in the other sprite. Okay, now there's still a problem. I'm going to change this to 0.1. 0.01. Depends on how fast it is. So this method is just the easy method. There's another method that's harder than this. Oopsies. So now that's just the easy method. Now I'm going to teach you the hard method. I'm going to hide this one and show this one. Okay, this one it's broken. No, it's not broken. I'm going to make another variable called frame2 for this sprite only. Set frame2. Set frame2. Switch costume to frame2, and also change frame2. Okay, now I'm going to teach you the harder way. Let me just pause the project. Stop the project, not pause it. So the harder way is that you have to ungroup everything. Yes, my hair was actually grouped. Now I'm just not going to ungroup these because they'll make it too complex. So now, as you can see, this is my hair. So it's this harder way. This harder way is better but harder. So we're going to skew each individual part of the hair in random amounts. One part can be skewed to the other side, maybe. And some other parts, they can be just, it's your choice. Oopsies, I made a mistake. So just skew all of the parts. Yes, this part, it takes much longer, so I might have to speed up the other parts of this. Now here's the first frame and the second frame. As you can see, they look much more different from each other. Third frame. Okay, I'm going to start speeding it up for that from here. I don't think I'm going to be talking anymore. Okay, I'm just going to say bye for now. Okay, I think that's enough talking. Oh, never mind. I'm not going to speed it up so that you can see the process. Because if you don't see the process, you'll not know how to make it. And if you don't know how to make it, then you're going to fail. No, yes, I can speed up the process, but I don't want to speed it up. Because speeding things up is, it is boring. Yes, it makes my tutorials more boring. Fine, now stop explaining how speeding things up makes projects boring. because it is just stupid. So remember, there's exactly 7 costumes in each one. Okay, I think I've ruined parts of the video with talking. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Three more costumes to go. Jeez, I forgot to skip this one. Okay, I don't think my talking is exactly ruining the video. I think it's just doing nothing to the video. Yes, it's just doing nothing to the video. So with some frames you can make some parts to not move, and some parts to just move more than they're supposed to move, so that it can be more better. So yes, we're going to change all of these to 0.1, because it's going to be rubbish if it's not 0.1. Where did my block go? Okay, now. Okay, I think I just change this to 0.0. So that it can be faster. Okay, now I'm going to add all 3 animations. Show and show. Oh, sorry about Oh, sorry, somebody interrupted my recording. So here's our blinking animation, and here is our advanced hair animation. Here is our simple hair animation. Wait, so there's a problem with the blinking animation. Whatever, I'm going to fix the problem later, because later is good. I think the problem just fixed itself. So that is the end of today's tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. If you don't want to like and subscribe and hit the bell, then that means you didn't enjoy this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Wait, there's a problem here. Hit the bell. Bye. See you in a million years.